friends, welcome to Sparklebox. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper corn. Before having a look at that, let's know one interesting fact about corn. Corn is commonly referred to a vegetable, but scientifically and botanically it is both grain and a fruit. Now let's quickly have a look at the materials required. A4 sheets, sketch pens, fevistick, pencils, crayons and scissors. On a yellow colored sheet, draw a corn using a pencil. And draw circles on it and then cut it. With a sketch pen. Draw a smiling mouth and your corn craft is ready. Isn't it interesting, kids? For more of such amazing DIYs, visit our website sparklebox.co.in. Thanks for watching.